Hey there, SEO warriors! Ever felt like battling Thanos when you're trying to rank higher on Google? I feel you! SEO these days is like fighting a dragon with a toothpick. But what if I told you instead of a toothpick, you can have an Iron Man suit for your content game? Sounds good, right? Today, I'm gonna unveil the magic of Trolley Lifetime Deal. Buckle up because we're diving into the content realm, and it's going to be one wild ride! Introducing Trolley. Imagine if you could transform into a content wizard, weaving SEO spells without even moving a finger. Trolley's here to do just that. It's like that coffee machine that just knows how you like your morning brew. Just throw in some keywords and bam! A fresh cup of top-notch SEO content awaits you. And guess what? Whether you're a blogger, a copywriter, or a CAS unicorn, Trolley's got your back. AppSumo exclusive, Trolley Lifetime Deal Alert. Okay, ready for the golden ticket? On AppSumo, Trolley's Lifetime Deal is slashing prices like a Black Friday sale. Regular pricing is, well, let's just say way more than what you'll be paying today. Let's break down those delicious tiers. License Tier 1. A one-time purchase of just $49 from $348. You get 30 articles per month, 1 user seat, 15 long-form pro articles each month. License Tier 2. Snatch it for $179 instead of $1,788. This tier offers unlimited articles per month, 5 user seats, 60 long-form pro articles monthly. Team access! Hungry for more? There's a buffet of features awaiting you. Check the description to feast your eyes on all the juicy details. Trolley's golden features? All right, here are 6 things that make Trolley the ultimate SEO sorcerer. Bulk Content Genie, wave your wand and watch dozens of articles appear. Grammar Guardian, no more sneaky typos ruining your masterpiece. In-app Editor, be the Picasso of content, tweaking every detail. Content Library, imagine a magical bookshelf with all your articles neatly organized. Integration Wizardry, connects with WordPress, Zapier, and more. Who needs Trolley in their life? Bloggers. Trolley becomes the content compass for bloggers, aiding in generating SEO-optimized articles efficiently. It assists in navigating the complex world of digital content creation, ensuring higher visibility and engagement for their blogs. Copywriters. For copywriters, Trolley offers a creative boost, helping them overcome writer's block and produce high-quality content. It simplifies the writing process, ensuring their work is free of errors and optimized for search engines. SaaS companies. Trolley is a game changer for SaaS companies seeking to enhance their content marketing efforts. It empowers them to create compelling materials that resonate with their audience, ultimately driving user engagement and conversions. Marketers. Marketers can ride the SEO wave with Trolley by creating content that stands out and ranks higher on search engines. The tool streamlines content production, allowing marketing teams to meet their goals more effectively. Agencies. Trolley aids agencies in providing their clients with top-notch content without the need for exhaustive, time-consuming efforts. It ensures productivity and satisfaction while delivering outstanding results. E-commerce sites. Trolley's magic extends to e-commerce by transforming product descriptions into persuasive, sales-boosting content. It helps businesses in this sector craft compelling narratives around their products, enticing customers and increasing conversions. So do you feel the spark? Hop onto the Trolley ride and turn your SEO struggles into victories. 10% extra magic on AppSumo. And because I adore you, here's a spell to get an extra 10% off. Check the steps in the description. It's like finding a golden coin in your pocket, isn't it? Here's how to unlock your deal. Head over to AppSumo's Trolley Lifetime Deal page. Keep your eyes peeled for a pop-up bargain alert. Enter a valid email address. Remember to use that exact email consistently. Peek inside your inbox and spot the 10% off coupon. So what's the holdup? Dive in and watch your savings grow. Raving reviews from fellow wizards. All right, my content knights, the time is now. Grab that Trolley lifetime deal and let's conquer the SEO kingdom together. If this enchanted you, smash that like button, share the magic, and subscribe for more spellbinding content.